So this is the question. Table में first column they have given commodity, then weight, then price relative. So सबसे पहले हम table को copy करते हैं. What is the data given in the question? They have given us 4 commodities A, B, C, and D, and let us say X, 2X, Y, and Y plus 3. Price relative values they have given 125, 120, 127, and 119. So whatever in this black color you can see on your board, that is the question given to us. The price, relative, and weight of a set of commodities are given below. The sum of the weight is 40. There's an important data given. Sum of weight is 40, and the index number is 122. We need to find the value of X and Y. और ये जो हम देख पा रहे हैं, this data particularly price relative, इसका मतलब क्या है? They have given us the value of P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. This is known as price relative. तो उन्होंने इसका वैल्यू हमें दे दिया है. हमें ये x and y का अननोन, जो अननोन वैल्यू x and y है, उसको कैलकुलेट करना है. तो उसके लिए what we are going to do? We are going to make an addition of one more column in the table, and that one more column will be nothing but price relative multiplied by W, because in the formula we need that. So हमने क्या किया? Price relative multiplied by weight. So it is 125 into x, 125x. This will give us 240x. This will give us 127y, and इसको करेंगे तो 119y plus 357. This is what we got. Now एक चीज तो क्लियर है कि हमारे पास दो अननोन है x and y, तो we need at least 2 equations to solve them. तो सबसे पहला हमारे पास फॉर्मूला क्या है प्राइस इंडेक्स का? प्राइस इंडेक्स is equals to summation P1 by P0 into 100 into W whole divided by summation W. This is what we have. Price index value they have given, it is 122. ये ऊपर का न्यूमरेटर हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं, दैट इज द समेशन ऑफ दिस. इसको पूरे को अगर हम ऐड करेंगे 125x 240x, ये मिलकर के हमें दे देगा 365x. Now 127y 119y, this will add up and give us 246y, and plus we have 357. That is formula का जो न्यूमरेटर हमें चाहिए था, that we have got. Let us put that 365x plus 246y plus 357. This thing whole divided by the total of weight. Total of weight in the question they have mentioned 40. Let us put 40 here. On simplifying this equation, what we are getting is 365x plus 246y is equals to 4523. That is the first equation. And as I said, दो unknown है, तो हमें कम से कम दो equation चाहिए solve करने के लिए. पहला equation ready हुआ 365x 246y is equal to 4523. Now how do we get the second equation? Second equation के लिए we can make use of this data. सबसे पहले हम total weight calculate करते हैं. So from the table, what is the total weight? X plus 2x, it is given 3x. Y plus y, we got 2y, and then we have a plus 3. So as per the table, the total weight is 3x plus 2y plus 3, and as per the given data, the total weight is 40. So there we go with the second equation. We can write 3x plus 2y plus 3 is equals to 40, or we can write 3x plus 2y is equals to 37. Now, these are the two equations we were looking for solving x and y. इन दोनों equation को हम simultaneously solve करते हैं. 3x plus 2y is equals to 37, and the above equation get me the values of x and y. So on solving this, you should get x is equal to 7 and y is equals to 8. These are the required answers for this question. Unknown value x is equal to 7 and y is equals to 8.